What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys making lots of money. And if you're not a gig workers, join the team. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and DoorDash from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to watch more video of different kind of gigs apps. And stick around to the end because I always do the breakdown of the tips and how much I make per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. So I want to let you guys know my two favorite apps for multi-apping is Uber Eats and DoorDash. So you could leave a comment down below, let me know what's yours. Either Uber Eats and Postmate, Uber Eats and Grubhub, Uber Eats and DoorDash, whatever. Just comment down below, let me know. And how does it go? Are you guys average $20 an hour, $30 an hour? Let me know down below. The time is 10:58. Uber Eats online, DoorDash online. So my first order is from Uber Eats, $5.63, 5.2 kilometers, and this is a KFC. I'll accept that one. So I pick up that food from KFC. Let's see how far this customer is. This customer is 6 minutes away, 3.3 kilometers. And the note says, wait in the car. You will see me out on the balcony of the first floor. Okay. It's gonna be on the balcony. I'll just throw the food to him. Here, catch the food. So I have an order from Uber Eats, $7.13, 7.5 kilometers. So I drop off that food. I'll give him a thumbs up. So I'm heading to Popeyes now. And Popeyes like 3 minutes away, 2.5. That's not far. Close. So that's first order was $5.64. That food from Popeyes, customer is 7 minutes away, 5 kilometers, $7.14. So this is Uber, $5.90, 4.6 kilometers. I'll accept that. So I just passed a McDonald's over there. Turn around here. So this customer is 6 minutes away, 4.6 kilometers. Assiniboine Park. So I drop off that McDonald's order. I did an illegal parking here. And the security of the Assiniboine Park is right here. $5.91. The time is 12 o'clock. And I'm at $18.69 with Uber. Zero order with DoorDash. So this is DoorDash, $12, 5.5 kilometers. I'll accept that. That's a really good order. So I arrive at Yafar Cafe and I have to pick up 6 items and the worth of $38.50. I waited like 12 minutes. I was doing pretty good on time. This customer is 3 minutes away, 1.8 kilometers, which is not bad. That's pretty good. Thumbs up for you. So this base fare is $6. Customer tip $6. Thank you, customer. This is from DoorDash, 6.2 kilometers, $9. I'll accept that. 6 kilometers, that's not bad. The restaurant is 10 minutes away. 5.1 kilometers. So the house is pretty close by to the restaurant or the drop-off location. So I arrived at the restaurant. They said call them. Yeah, I keep calling the number and then it goes straight to the answer machine. Nobody's answering the phone. And then the door is locked. And I finally look peeping through the door, knocking. Then the chef came out and made the food. Why are you not answering your phone? Okay, let's see how far this customer lives. This customer is 4 minutes away, less than 1 kilometers. Drop off that order. Base pay $6, customer tip $3. This is DoorDash. $7, 9 kilometers. Gonna decline that. Customer tip $1. Decline. So this is DoorDash. 5.8 kilometers, $10. I'll accept it. So I'm back to Yafar Cafe. This is my second pickup from here. So the pickup was fast this time. It was all ready to go. So thumbs up. Let's see how far this customer lived. This customer is 9 minutes away.
Head west on Trans-Canada Highway, Manitoba 1 west toward Borpale Drive.
Going west, so that's pretty good. That's where I started my shift. So I arrive on a customer here. No parking on the street. I just park illegal. Illegal parking. Oh no. Oh no. Base pay is $6. Customer tip $4. Thank you, customer. So I got $7.50, 7 kilometers. I'll decline that. So this is DoorDash, $9, 5.1 kilometers. I'll accept that. I'll give a smiley face all around. Base pay is $6, customer tip $3. Thank you, customer. So the time is 1:47. I've been driving for 2 hours and 45 minutes. So I'll just end my shift now. It's getting slow. And it was a good lunch hours for both Ubereats and DoorDash. Good money, good money. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, like, comment, and subscribe to help grow the channel. And stay tuned for the summary. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. I'll start with Uber Eats. I had 3 delivery with Uber Eats. First one is $9.20. Customer tip $3.56. Second one $11.14. Customer tip $4. Thank you, customer. Third one $7.91. Customer tip $2. Thank you, customer. This is DoorDash. The active time was 1 hour and 23 minutes. Dash time was 2 hours and 47 minutes. Start from the bottom. First one was $12. Customer tip $6. Base pay $6. The second one, base pay $6. Customer tip $3. The third one, base pay $6. Customer tip $4. And the fourth one is $9. Base pay $6. Customer tip $3. And the total is $40. Between Uber Eats and DoorDash, the total is $68.25 minus $5 for gas, give us $63.25 divided by 2 hours and 45 minutes. Give us $23 per hour. Awesome. Nice wage, nice wage. So you see, when you're multi-app and you have your two favorite food delivery app, that's the way to go. You could average between $18 to $25 an hour. I don't depend on one because it's hard to make some good money with one app. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button down below. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.